Navigating ISF for medical equipment. Filing process explained. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the ISF, Importer Security Filing process for medical equipment imports. Importing medical equipment requires special attention to compliance and regulatory requirements. Understanding the ISF filing process is crucial to ensure a smooth import operation. Let's dive into the details of the ISF filing process for medical equipment. ISF compliance is essential for the secure and efficient importation of medical equipment. Compliance with ISF requirements helps ensure compliance with regulatory measures, enhances supply chain security, and facilitates smooth customs clearance. Gather all necessary information for the ISF filing process. This includes details such as the shipper and consignee information, bill of lading, container numbers, product descriptions, and harmonized system (HS) codes specific to the medical equipment being imported. Provide accurate and detailed product descriptions for the medical equipment in the ISF filing. Include specific details such as the type of equipment, model numbers, intended use, and technical specifications. Accurate descriptions help customs authorities correctly classify the products and ensure compliance. Determine the appropriate HS codes for the medical equipment being imported. HS codes classify products based on their nature and composition, facilitating customs clearance and duty calculation. Accurate HS code classification is critical for compliance and proper documentation. Engage the services of a customs broker with expertise in medical equipment imports. Customs brokers can guide you through the ISF filing process, ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, and provide assistance in navigating complex import procedures. Utilize automated ISF filing tools to streamline the process. These tools automate data entry, validate information, and facilitate electronic submission to customs authorities. Leveraging technology in the filing process reduces the risk of errors and expedites the overall process. Submit the ISF to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) at least 24 hours before the vessel departure from the foreign port. Ensure that all required fields are accurately completed and that supporting documentation is attached as per the CBP guidelines. Maintain proper documentation of the ISF filing. This includes the confirmation number, proof of submission, and supporting documentation related to the medical equipment being imported. Document retention is essential for future reference, compliance audits, and potential inquiries. Prepare for potential compliance audits by maintaining organized records and documentation related to the ISF filing. Retain supporting documents, such as purchase orders, invoices, and shipping documents, to demonstrate compliance with regulatory requirements. If a late ISF filing is necessary due to unforeseen circumstances, promptly communicate with the CBP. Explain the reasons for the delay, provide accurate updated information, and demonstrate a commitment to compliance. Timely communication improves transparency and minimizes potential penalties. Maintain open lines of communication with regulatory authorities, such as the CBP, to address any inquiries or concerns related to the ISF filing process. Promptly respond to requests for additional information and cooperate during any routine or ad hoc inspections. Regularly evaluate your internal processes and seek opportunities for continuous improvement. Stay informed about regulatory changes, industry best practices, and emerging technologies to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and compliance in the ISF filing process. Invest in staff training and education on import regulations, compliance requirements, and industry best practices. Enhancing staff knowledge and awareness of the ISF filing process for medical equipment enables efficient and accurate information submission. Keep abreast of regulatory changes and updates specific to medical equipment imports. Regulatory requirements may evolve over time, and it is crucial to stay informed and adapt import processes accordingly to ensure ongoing compliance. Engage with industry associations and trade organizations specializing in medical equipment imports. These associations provide valuable insights, updated guidelines, and networking opportunities to enhance compliance and stay informed about industry-specific practices. Establish and maintain strong relationships with your suppliers. Continuously communicate with them to ensure accurate information exchange, facilitate compliance with ISF requirements, and minimize potential disruptions in the supply chain. Regularly review and evaluate your compliance measures related to ISF filing for medical equipment imports. Conduct internal audits, assess the effectiveness of your processes, and implement corrective actions to address any identified gaps or areas for improvement. Do not hesitate to seek assistance when encountering challenges in the ISF filing process. Engage with customs brokers, industry experts, or regulatory authorities to obtain guidance, address concerns, and ensure compliance with ISF requirements for medical equipment imports. Thank you for watching our video on the ISF filing process for medical equipment imports. Stay tuned for more informative videos on customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade.